We begin by cleansing the face using an appropriate CNC cleanser corresponding to the skin type and apply it with circular movements. After that, the face is toned with the appropriate CNC tonic corresponding to the skin type. Place the electrodes on the dry skin of the upper and lower cheek areas, respectively. Care should be taken to attach the minus electrodes parallel to each other above the plus electrodes. Here it is of utmost importance to pay attention to the course of the facial muscles, as this varies from person to person due to their anatomy. After that, set the stimulation level that is comfortable for your client. The program then starts and lasts for 25 minutes. Place the electrodes on the dry skin of the upper cheek area and above the arches of the eyebrows. Care should be taken to attach the respective minus electrodes opposite the plus electrodes. Here it is of utmost importance to pay attention to the course of the facial muscles, as this varies from person to person due to their anatomy. After that, set the stimulation level that is comfortable for your client. The program then starts and lasts for 25 minutes. With this manual form of treatment, you have the possibility to activate individual areas of the face specifically, that is eye, lip or cheek area, and integrate them into basic treatment. When using the Mio lift stick, please make sure that the skin is kept moist with hyaluron forte serum in combination with tonic in order to guarantee conductivity and gliding ability. Finish off by applying an appropriate CNC eye and day care product according to the skin type.